everyone, I am Kopal Jain from Express Computer and I welcome you all to the 5th edition of Technology Senate South here in Hyderabad. So today we have our special guest Anish Kumar from Creston and Ms. Priyanka Ekbote from Godrej Enterprises. Welcome to the event, sir, ma'am. So what is your biggest key takeaways from the conference?
Of course, this is the fourth consecutive year we are participating in this event. Um, Always, what we expect from Texanate is always a quality crowd. So we are getting the key decision makers from this industry as previous year. We could able to create a lot of quality leads out of this event. Yeah, so that's what from my side basically. As far as me is concerned, we have a lot of takeaways in terms of business potential with variety of customers from the different fields out of there. Yeah.
Yeah, so hi. As sir has already mentioned that we have multiple amount of leads here. So that was one of the most important thing for our industry to tell them about how AV is evolving in today's market. Also, the biggest takeaway which we had here is that we have to educate our clients and we have to educate the audience about sustainability. So that is what our complete agenda was for these 2 days.
So what is your go-to market strategy?
So basically, for us, as far as the CA was concerned, even if you go to any of the end customer place, it's very difficult to meet these people, to go to the level. So you have to go to the lower level to go to that key influence like CAOs. Wherein this kind of events, which really helping us to meet the key decision makers rightly here, meaning that half of the job is done. Yeah. So we are on the right track in terms of taking our business to the next level by approaching the CAOs directly. Yeah.
So, what industry gaps do you observe in your domain, and what strategies you implement to leverage these?
So basically, which I told in the previous question as well, consumer is not aware about sustainability actually. So by 2017, 2070 actually, Indian government is trying to make India complete sustainable. So that is something I'm trying, and we as Godrej and Crestron, together we are trying to educate our customer that how this factor can come into the picture on daily basis. So this is the major key takeaway which we want to tell to our customers.
Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Thank you so much.